Okay, so now we have the head applied onto the template. As you can see it here, we made sure that it's not too big, not too small, and we also kind of looked where is the best position so it is not that forward. Just go back. So now we have to see one detail here, and is that because of the selection we did, and I did erase this just to emphasize that we have a big space and we have to fill it out. Because yeah, the animal is furry and the hair is coming out of the neck. So we are going to work on the mask with the brush that it's for the final brushing. We're going to reveal this and make the edges just a little bit on top or over the neck detail. Okay, so as you could see, what I did was adding some texture here, a little bit, just like it's over the neck. Same here, and here I made the end of the neck of the cloth a little bit more visible and soften this corner. The idea is to make it look as realistic as possible. So always the part where the whiskers come from have to be really visible. Then some of the fur can be visible also here. And we can have some more hair here too. So now we are going to move to the lighting adjustments. At this point, just check one more time to see if it looks proportionate, it looks visually good, and now we are going to move to light adjustment.